great satisfaction that we have reached the point where the report that we have been working on together with Carbon War Room has reached a stage of, we would call, a first draft that we could share with the Aruban community. It is a very special position within which Aruba has achieved a certain status in the world due to our objectives and our vision of where we see Aruba in the next couple of years, not only in the area of sustainable energy, but also a sustainable society, where we will be working also with Carbon War Room and other institutions in finding a growth model where we can be more successful in translating economic growth and economic progress into well-being for our citizens. Secondly, is also giving Aruba a name as a green island, a green country. And with this name, creating a new economic opportunity for Aruba to export knowledge based on this conversion. Every step along the way will give Aruba experience, will create in Aruba institutions that have the knowledge how to make this transition. And we are very confident that more countries, more cities around the world at a certain point would also want to make this transition. And by having accumulated experience and having accumulated in Aruba institutions with the knowledge how to make this conversion become reality, we hope that we also are creating a basis for an economic pillar for Aruba based on knowledge, and especially on knowledge with regard to renewable energy. So we are achieving two things at the same time in this great partnership. We are getting a lot of experience, a lot of input, and a lot of inspiration also from the inspiring leadership of the Carbon War Room team. But at the same time, we are getting a world platform to put Aruba center in the world. Several publications of Carbon War Room already gave Aruba that status in the world. Several conferences that we held together in New York, in the Netherlands, in Germany, put Aruba center stage for our ideals and our goals. So it's very evident that this partnership is very important for Aruba, and we are very thankful that we were able to close this friendship and partnership with Carbon War Room.